Nemiel served as a chaplain of the Dark Angels during the Great Crusade and Horus Heresy. Born on Caliban, Nemiel would serve as a knight initiate of the Order during the time of Lionel Johnson's ascension. Joining his brethren in the siege of Firebase Indriago, Nemiel would nonetheless show doubt with the arrival of the Emperor of Mankind to Caliban and his intentions to draft the Order into his army of superhuman warriors. Conspiring with a clandestine gathering of disbanded knights of the Order, Nemiel would participate in the planning of the assassination of the Emperor, a plot which would be foiled by his cousin, Zahariel. Despite his treachery, Nemiel would be transformed into an Astartes with the formation of the First Legion. His cousin Zahariel would become a librarian of the Legion, whilst his own zealous personality would see Nemiel fit to become a chaplain of the Dark Angels. With the failed compliance of the planet of Sarosh, the Dark Angels would be split into those loyal to their Primarch and those whose hesitations and doubts required penance guarding their homeworld. Accompanying his Primarch to endure the remainder of the Great Crusade and Horus Heresy, his cousin Zahariel would be left behind on Caliban. With the Edicts of Nicaea decreed by the Emperor to censure the Librarius, the Dark Angels would be embattled with the newly discovered forces of the Demons of the Warp. Facing critical losses and unknown foes, the Lion would reinstate the Librarius, yet Nemiel would chastise his Primarch for defying the Emperor. Unwilling to back down, Nemiel's stubborn defiance to his Primarch would be his undoing. His life ended at the hands of the Lion. The cost of his secret betrayal repaid in full.